1, 2, 3. Oh, that one didn't even make it off the ramp. It is a valid trial, so we will mark it. All right. 2. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, that one didn't go very far and it ended up twisting backwards. All right. And cut. Now we'll do wax paper. All right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that one went a lot farther. Wax 1 and 2. On your mark, get set, go. About the same distance. Well, not quite. All right, and cut. All right. Tinfoil. On your mark, get set, go. Ah, not bad. All right. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, that one slowed it down and it took the ramp off. All right. And finally, good thing it did take the ramp off, because now no covers. On your mark, get set, go. Okay, pretty good. All right, and for the final round, on your mark, get set, go. Oh, okay. So the tinfoil first one went the fastest, then the wax, and then the blank ones. Thank you, Miss Kelly.